Jamaica's Reggae Boys and Honduras were joined by El Salvador and Curacao in Group C of the CONCACAF Gold Cup at Wednesday's tournament draw in Los Angeles in the USA. Daniel Blake reports.
It was announced earlier this month that the National Stadium, for the first time ever, will host two matches in the CONCACAF Gold Cup. Two-time finalists Jamaica and Honduras were confirmed to do battle in the second game of a doubleheader on June 17, but today it was confirmed that El Salvador and Curacao will play in the first game. After the opening games in Kingston, the Reggae Boys will fly to Houston to play El Salvador on June 21 and end their group stage campaign against Curacao on June 25 in Los Angeles. Jamaica will be familiar with the pair as they played El Salvador and Curacao in the 2017 group stage, much to the satisfaction of head coach Theodore Tappa Whitmore, who witnessed the draw.
First and foremost, it's good to get over the draw. We're looking forward for a good competitive tournament. We see what the group stages is like. The first game is at home, so we just have to take care of what we need to take care of at home.
The Reggae Boys were runners-up in the previous two editions of the tournament, losing 3-1 to Mexico in the 2015 edition before going down 2-1 to the United States in 2017. Daniel Blake, TVJ Sports.